Today, I'm reviewing the ANCEL AD530 OBD2 scanner, an upgraded version of the popular AD310 that promises to give instant answers, even if you know nothing about cars. Stick around until the end, because this little tool could save you hundreds of dollars and a stressful trip to the mechanic. Product features. The ANCEL AD530 is designed specifically for everyday car owners and beginners. You simply plug it into your vehicle's OBD2 port, usually under the dashboard, turn the key to on, and you're ready to go. No apps, no Wi-Fi, no setup. It can read and clear check engine fault codes, and thanks to its built-in database of over 100,000 diagnostic trouble codes, you don't have to Google anything. The scanner tells you what the code means in plain English. Beyond basic code reading, the AD530 supports full OBD2 diagnostic modes, including live data streaming to see how your engine sensors are working in real time, freeze frame data, which shows what was happening when the problem occurred, and battery voltage monitoring, helping you catch a weak battery before it leaves you stranded. There are also dedicated shortcut buttons. Press the I button to instantly read and understand fault codes. Press the I/M button to check emissions readiness, perfect before a state inspection. The AD530 works on most gasoline cars, SUVs, and light trucks from 1996 and newer sold in the US. Just keep in mind, it's engine-focused only, so it does not scan ABS, airbag, or transmission systems. Pros. Extremely easy to use even for first-time users. No apps, no subscriptions, and no internet needed. Built-in code definitions save time and confusion. Live data and battery voltage add real value. Compact, sturdy design, great to keep in your glove box. Cons. Does not diagnose ABS, SRS, or transmission issues. Not compatible with diesel vehicles or motorcycles. Advanced professionals may want more system coverage. Overall review. Overall, the ANCEL AD530 OBD2 scanner is an excellent choice for beginners, DIY car owners, and everyday drivers who want clear answers without the learning curve. It won't replace a professional scan tool, but for check engine lights, emissions checks, and basic diagnostics, it absolutely delivers. If you want to understand your car before talking to a mechanic, this is a smart investment. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest car tool reviews, and check the link in the description to see the current price of the ANCEL AD530 OBD2 scanner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.